heartfelt namaste. I, Anuradha, would like to thank all of you for liking our videos and your audios. If you haven't subscribed to our Spotify channel, please do so that you can look into all our videos. You can listen to all our videos in the audio form anytime, any place. Today, we are going to talk with Goel sir on various topics, especially on the topic of ninth house. Ninth house is a beautiful house. It's the blessings that we have in life, and all of us count on it. So we're going to talk on that today. But before that, we are also going to ask sir to discuss something on Upchay Bhav. Upchay Bhavs are important for us, and why so? Because we have a webinar coming up on Upchay Bhavs. So, sir, just that I find in my talking to people or in my interactions that people are really not very keen on Upchay Bhav, or they do not look at Upchay Bhav with a sense of amazement like they do to the Trikonas or the Kendras. They miss out a lot in that. What exactly are people missing out when they're not looking into the Upchay Bhavs?
No, for anything, to understand anything, we have to know what it is.
Right,
What is the meaning of that?
right, sir.
See, Upche is the word or the name given collectively for four houses:
Right, sir.
3, 6, 10, and 11.
Right, sir.
When it becomes a Upche or not become a Upche, that we will discuss in our webinar.
Right, sir.
Now I come to what is the meaning of Upche.
Right.
Upche means one who is rising,
Okay, sir.
one who is growing.
Yes, sir.
So, when Upche conditions are met in a horoscope, that horoscope becomes a growing horoscope. That this will keep on grow better and better.
Right, sir.
Now, many times people say, ask, my budhapa will be, my old age will be good,
Right, sir.
which how it will be.
Hmm.
So, without going into dashas, etc., there are many methods.
Right.
Without going into that, if you see a strong upche,
Hmm.
you can straight away say that your life prosperity will keep on
Hmm.
growing. You will not go down. When the burapa or the old age will be bad, when it is not growing,
Hmm.
when your life is not growing towards
Growing.
prosperity.
Right.
So that is a very straightforward application of
Hmm.
upche. We will understand what is upche,
Right, sir.
how to
Indeed.
analyze a upche.
Right, sir.
What I am saying, is upche present or not?
Hmm.
Many people, they are not aware of that, and that is why they are not able to see it, whether I am having a upche or not.
Right, sir.
Once they come to know, they will see it, because everybody wants to know how
Is
is my
there growth?
life.
Yes. Is there growth in
Growth.
life? Yes, sir.
Yes. And we will understand that on that day.
Right, sir.
So this is the importance. Now I come to ninth house. See, ninth house is a very important house.
Hmm.
It says your fate, bhagya,
Right, sir.
your father, your preceptor. People take it as foreign travel. No, it is a long journey. Stands for long journey,
Hmm.
etc., etc. Many things. But it is an important house because of luck, fate,
Yes, sir.
how lucky you are. And for that, you cannot judge from ninth house only.
Hmm.
We have to check other things also. Okay, now to analyze any house, not only ninth house, today I am thinking of giving some principles.
Sure, sir.
First of all, for analyzing any house,
Right, sir.
check where the lord of that house has gone.
Yes.
The best is placement in a kendra. I am not saying trikon.
Right, sir.
Only kendra I am telling.
Kendra from Lagna.
Kendra from Lagna, not from
Right,
that
sir.
house.
Right, sir.
Okay. So that is a, now many people, they analyze that ninth lord in fourth house. It is not a bad, good position. It is eighth from ninth. Yes, it is eighth. It gives suddenness. But the significations of ninth house will improve once it goes to Kendra.
Right.
And it depends on the strength. Further, more strong, much better.
Hmm.
Okay. First is that principle.
Hmm.
Second principle, check who is the Kal Purush Lord of that house.
Yes.
Kal Purush is the basic means, the inherent God made. God
Sir.
has made that.
Yes,
The
sir.
Lord, that is Jupiter for ninth house.
Right, sir.
So, ninth house, if related to Jupiter,
Hmm. In our
aspected by
personal
Jupiter.
in our personal charts.
Pardon?
In our personal charts.
Yeah, any chart, any chart. In my chart or your chart, if Jupiter is aspecting ninth house,
Hmm.
so your father will be very helpful to you.
Hmm.
Because he is the natural father, natural guru,
Hmm.
natural dharam.
Right, sir.
So he will be. I am not talking of the Lord.
Yes.
But if Jupiter is placed in ninth house and has a malefic relation, then this is not true.
Hmm.
Okay.
Right.
So second point is that.
Right.
Third, let me say something about Upche also.
Okay, sir.
If any lord of the house, it is half rule. Half I will tell in webinar.
Okay, sir.
One half portion I am giving.
Yes, sir.
That if the lord of the house is in a Upche house from Lagna,
Hmm.
that house will prosper.
That's a beautiful point. Yes, sir.
That house will prosper, or you will get help from that house. That house will be growing house.
Right. Right.
Suppose ninth lord has gone to 10th house.
Hmm.
Your father will keep on prospering. He will
Hmm.
not go down
Hmm.
in life, right?
Right.
Ninth
Right.
lord, even in 11th, 6th, or 3rd, see any ninth lord, when it is in 3rd house, it will aspect ninth house.
Sir. Right, sir.
So these are the rules
Right,
of
sir.
analyzing any house.
Okay, sir.
We must see which planets are in the Kendra from Lagna.
Okay, sir.
Those houses will prosper.
Okay, sir. So we'll take an example here, sir. With so many principles that you've given us, a lot has been packed by sir in this very small period. So we can analyze it on a chart of Jet Lita probably,
These are very basic rules.
which
You
we
can
forget.
analyze any horoscope with that.
Right, sir. Right.
Now this chart, the Kalpurush ninth lord
Right, sir.
Jupiter is not related to ninth house, not
Hmm.
aspecting it.
Not aspecting the ninth house, ninth lord neither.
Yes. So this person will not get help, much help, I will say. Everybody gets help, some help, much help from father,
Right, sir.
or much help from religion. I
Right,
have excluded Guru, the preceptor. For preceptor, we have to see other thing also.
right, sir.
Okay. So, as you told me, this chart is of Jayalalitha.
Right, sir.
She did not get help from her father.
No, sir, she did not. It was her grandfather and mother who helped her through.
Hmm. See, mother helped.
Yes, sir. Mother pushed her
Now,
into acting. Yes.
pardon?
Mother pushed her into acting.
Yes. Mother help was also not much. It was she maintained herself.
Right, sir.
Okay. See,
Right.
why mother little bit can be said that Lagna Lord and the Kal Purush fourth Lord, they are together.
Right, sir.
Or Lagna Lord is aspecting, uh, not aspecting Mercury.
Lagna
Moon
Lord
is
is
aspecting.
aspecting moon, the
Moon.
Kalpurush. Yes.
Okay. So, but we are talking about the Kalpurush. We can check any
Right.
horoscope, any house.
Right, sir.
Now here, Jupiter is aspecting Lagna.
Hmm.
And now Jupiter is in Libra, the
As per
partner.
yes, sir. As per Kalpurush. Yes.
Yes, Kalpurush. Jupiter has become partner.
Right.
The natural perceptor has become a partner.
Partner. Right. Yeah.
So that perceptor will help you.
Right, sir.
If father had become your partner, then he will help.
Right.
You understand?
Right, sir.
Father was not a partner.
Right, sir. And sir, we also see that Moon is in the Upchai house, Mars is in the Upchai house. So her
Yes,
career, her
they
popularity,
are in
her,
Uppchai.
yes, sir. And her growth can be seen because she has good collection
No,
of planets
no.
in
This is having Venus is also in Uppchai, Rahu
Upchai
is in
house.
Uppchai.
Exactly. So,
So it is a growing chart.
yes, sir.
It is a growing chart. Now we will go into other finer things also,
Right, sir.
as we can see for the Lord of ninth house.
Right, sir.
It is in sixth from itself.
Right, sir. Hmm.
That means it is in Upchai
Right, sir.
from ninth.
From ninth.
So Upchai is for him only,
Yes.
for ninth house, for preceptor, everything. But from ninth house, it is not a perfect Upchai. I will tell you why
Yes, sir.
later on in
Yes.
the webinar. But for father, it was a growth.
Yeah. But he
But
did
it
not
is
have
not a sustainable growth.
growth. Yes, sir.
He will be rich.
Hmm.
Father will be rich. Because second and ninth is Dhan Yoga also.
Yes, sir.
So whether this Dhan Yoga will apply to Jayalalitha also? Yes. Jayalalitha will also be rich.
But on her own efforts, not by father.
So father was also rich.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
This I will say partial upchai,
Right.
but not sustained. His father could not sustain his
Her.
wealth
Yes.
because it was not perfect upcheck.
Right, sir.
Okay.
So
So this is the
it's a very beautiful principle, as you also said, that any planet in the 6, 8, 12 from itself does not sustain that house. And because of that, for that particular person, so her father did not even sustain her or her siblings either. So that shows so beautifully for her also.
right.
Sir, the concept of seeing the house from a different perception is also very beautiful. And I hope and I wish that all of us remember these small things. And when we're talking about these small things, the Upche houses does seem small to all of us, but they carry a wealth of information. So if you are willing to be a part of this information, do contact us on our WhatsApp, or you can simply register from our website. Till we meet with you again, please stay safe. Thank you so much, sir. Please
Thank
hit the
you.
bell icon for fresh updates. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the videos, and please subscribe to our channel.